Mountain Dew came out with a spiked version, and today we're gonna be tasting all of the flavors from their variety pack.
The 4 flavors we're going to be tasting today are the classic Mountain Dew, the watermelon, the black cherry, and the Baja Blast. So all of these are 5% alcohol and there's 0 sugar.
How? I don't know.
Mountain Dew usually has like 77 grams of sugar. So I'm really curious to see if they nailed the Mountain Dew flavor. But before we start, if you guys want to try these hard Mountain Dew flavors at home, you can go to bottlerover.com. It's a liquor delivery service and they will deliver them directly to your door.
How convenient.
You're welcome. I'm the most excited about the Baja Blast.
Me too. We're gonna compare them to the original non-alcoholic version, and we're also gonna rate them.
Let you know if we like them or not.
If it's thirsty approved or not.
Disclaimer, we are not Mountain Dew drinkers, so I'm kind of feeling like I might not like a lot of these.
I like soda.
But we're gonna try them for you because I feel like a lot of people like Mountain Dew.
And also, you know, we do the dew, so we're gonna do the dew today, okay?
Whatever that means. Let's start with the classic flavor.
Classic.
Regular schmegular Mountain Dew.
We have to refresh our memories because we don't really remember what this tastes like. I don't even know if I've ever had it.
Big point on why we're comparing. I think it's good if you like Mountain Dew and you want to know, does it at least taste like the original one?
I feel like people that drink Mountain Dew are like ride or dies. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, I haven't had this in so long. That's delicious.
That is delicious. It's a familiar taste in my mouth though. Cozy.
So, hello, delicious, obviously. It's Mountain Dew.
And now the spiked version.
Here we go.
The hard Mountain Dew. Cheers.
Cheers.
So it tastes like a boozy Mountain Dew. You can taste the booze in this.
I already feel like I'm getting a little bit of a sugar high. There's caffeine in these, right?
Yeah, it says caffeine.
Okay.
So this has caffeine and this doesn't, so.
That's pretty good. If you like Mountain Dew, you're gonna love this. It tastes almost identical to this flavor. Okay, what would you rate this? On a scale of 1 to 2?
10.
10.
It's
tastes
fire.
like a boozy Mountain Dew.
To be honest, I'm giving it an 11 because it tastes better than this.
If you want a hard Mountain Dew, they deliver. This is a good one. Round 2, watermelon.
Watermelon. It's very cute. It's got a snip on it.
Adorable. Cheers. Smells like candy watermelon.
Wow, it's delicious.
So sweet.
That's fire. I love watermelon flavored things, and this is delicious. Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh.
This is like a spiked candy.
That's good. I actually like this better than I like this one.
Wow, that's really good.
That's so sweet.
I'm on a sugar high.
I'm literally gonna be on a sugar high.
I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls.
Yeah, it tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, but not as sour. But I like it. I like it better than the original. That one's good. Wow. Let's rate it. On a scale of 1 to 10. 3, 2, 1. 10.
A 10.
A 10.
A 10.
A 10.
Like if we're comparing it to this, I'm giving it a 10. Right on the dot. Okay, a 12 because I gave this one a 10. Or an 11.
You like that one
and
better?
I like this one better, yeah.
Next up, black cherry, aka code red. Are they meant to be the same? Because this one's code red, regular cherry, this one's black cherry.
Sam needs you to name them exactly the same or it's not gonna work out for her. Sorry, I didn't cheers you. Okay, yummy.
Oh, that's so yummy. I used to love cherry Coke as a kid. This is giving me that right now. So now I think I'm really gonna like this one. Cheers.
Whoa.
I can't open it.
I'm just in shock that there's no sugar in this. It's so good.
Black cherry and regular cherry are very different to me. This tastes like black cherry. This tastes like more similar to cherry Coke.
It tastes like a Shirley Temple.
I'm like so shocked how good these are. I was honestly so scared to taste these. I thought I was gonna hate them all. I love everything.
I'm a sweet girl and these are all very sweet, so
Rate that one.
great.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna give that a 12. That's my favorite one so far. It's good. Baja Blast.
Oh my god, I just burped so loud. Do not insert that.
Baja Blast.
We're pumped about this one,
Yeah.
okay? Because listen, we go to Taco Bell, they have a Baja Blast smoothie.
I haven't been to Taco Bell in a long time, but I have never tried a Baja Blast. I have friends that are obsessed with it. I'm intrigued.
I'm very intrigued.
I'm ready to taste Baja Blast for the first time. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give us a like.
And a subscribe.
Thank you.
Please.
Time to taste the Baja Blast. Cheers.
Kind of tastes like the regular Mountain Dew now.
Yeah. Do they taste the same?
To me, yes.
I think I actually like the original one better. What flavor even is Baja Blast?
They changed the color and that's it. Oh, it's
tropical lime. I think it has a lot less flavor than the other ones that we tried. It is just Mountain Dew, period. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed.
I thought I was gonna get like a cool blast.
What is all the hype about?
It's like regular schmegular lime soda.
It's not that good.
Cheers.
Cheers. This has more flavor than that one.
Lemon lime.
I'm getting a little, I see where the tropical is coming from. I'm getting a little pineapple. It's good. It's better than the original. So if you like the original Baja Blast, you're gonna be obsessed with this one because it tastes better. It has more flavor.
Yes, it definitely tastes better than the regular.
This is like barely flavored. This is powerful flavor. Compared to all of the other ones, I'm gonna give Baja Blast a 3, 2, 1, 7. Or an 8. 8.
You know what though? I'm gonna give it a 7 because of all of the hype. I feel like it was overly hyped, that's all.
Yeah, y'all need to expand your horizons. Baja Blast ain't all that.
But I will say, overall, this mix pack is fire. It is delicious.
If you like Mountain Dew, it's for you.
If you like Mountain Dew, do the hard dew.